Ashley with a video about First LEGO League Challenge, where I will be talking about what to do during a match and how to use your time efficiently. In FLL, there are very specific rules that students must follow during a match with the robot, the missions, and the students themselves. While it is very important that everybody reads the rulebooks and gets the most updated instructions, at the time this video was made, only 2 students are able to go up to the field at any given point in time to run the robot. However, teams can have students stand to the side in designated areas to be switched out later in the match. While this will allow more students to get involved in the operation of the robot, it can take significantly more time to switch out. It should also be mentioned that only one robot is allowed at the table at any given time. So if students wish to use a different robot, it will need to be used in a separate match. Once your team has a robot and operators chosen for the competition, and programs are loaded onto the brain, it's time to get to what my team has lovingly dubbed the dance. This is where we practice the 2-minute and 30-second match segment with all of the programs, attachments, and positioning until it becomes muscle memory. We start with the operators walking up to the table, organizing the pieces in the proper locations, then aligning the robot for the first launch. After our countdown, we focus on where each student is going, what side of the table they'll be on, what attachments are going on and off, where they'll end up after the robot returns, and then resetting for the next launch. This can be a very tedious process of testing the same programs over and over again. And there will be many adjustments that need to be made to help refine the process and speed up the programs. One of the most important parts to drill into students' heads is the starting location of the robot for each launch, so it will be able to run consistently even during competition. I have learned from experience that under many circumstances, having the robot just a little bit off can throw off the entire program, especially longer ones. So be careful and be prepared. While this might not be the most exciting part of FLL, and the execution is repetitive, my team has been able to condense a group of programs that took us 4 or 5 minutes to run down before, down to the necessary 2.5 minutes. Simply through this process and getting down the muscle memory before competition. It also gives students the ability to recognize early when a program won't work and help them make decisions during competition, such as what programs to run, when to interrupt the robot, or what to do if something breaks. This isn't a process that should be rushed through either, and you can't expect it to work after only 2 days. We typically try to reserve the last few weeks before competition to practice the dance without panic. Personally, I believe that this is what makes us stand out from the rest of the other teams at competition, because we have more practice, experience, and preparations than many of the others. I hope that this video has been helpful to you in learning about what to do during a match and how to prepare for one. If you have any questions or if I missed anything that you think I should have included in this video, please leave them in the comments down below. It'd be greatly appreciated. Also, if you'd like to support this channel and see more content about FIRST Robotics, please subscribe, leave a like, and ring the bell, because it really helps me see how I'm doing. Finally, I want to see who I'm reaching with these videos. So if you're with a team and have the ability, please leave the team name, number, and general location in the comments so I can see. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!